Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys auto screen problem guys. How can we solve in our technophone guys? You can see guys your auto screen guys your problem in your technophone. So guys how can you solve this problem in your technophone? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you need my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. And first of all guys open your phone setting to solve this problem. So we will on guys our phone setting and guys scroll it and guys you can see display and brightness and tap here. Again scroll guys, you can see auto screen guys, this icon guys, tap here. Then guys this your phone will not rotate guys, you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve auto screen problem in our technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Before going guys, please go and like the video and guys click on subscribe button. Bye friends.